Nonprofit Home Inspections is pleased to partner with the Native American Youth and Family Center to provide outstanding home inspections for their clients. As the highest-rated home inspection company in the region, Nonprofit Home Inspections is dedicated to making home inspection services accessible to everyone in our shared community. In addition to providing free radon testing kits and free home maintenance manuals for NAYA clients, Nonprofit Home Inspections can also provide sliding-scale home inspection services for anyone participating in NAYA's homeownership and home maintenance program. In order to qualify for reduced-cost home inspection services, clients need only demonstrate that they are working with NAYA and they are instantly approved. Find out more and apply online at nonprofithomeinspections.org.